So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in local security policy. Click on it, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to expand local policies. Now you're going to click on user rights assignment. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on change the time zone. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on add user or group. And you now want to type in your username right here. If you don't know what your username is, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on users. It's now going to be showing your username right here. Now I'm going to speed tutorials. So I'm going to type in this box. I'm going to type in my username, which is speed tutorials. Now I'm going to click on check names. So you're going to type in your username here and then click on check names. And then after you click on check names, it's now going to underline this. Now you're going to click on OK. And now you're going to click on OK again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.